Hi there! Last time, we showed the welding process of stainless steel. Today we will show you the aluminum fillet welding process. The welding process belongs to the heat conduction type. The laser radiation heats the workpiece surface, and the heat on the surface diffuses through the heat transfer guide. By controlling the width, energy, peak power and repetition frequency of laser pulse, the workpiece is melted to form a specific molten pool. Our handheld laser welding machine uses the above method to weld workpieces without using a wire feeder, and the weld seam of the sample after welding is smooth and beautiful without polishing. The next long video, laser cleaning machine.